Hey everyone, Sandy here, just with a quick announcement for you. I wanted to let you know that I'm not going to be uploading any videos to this channel for a couple weeks. I've got a busy couple weeks coming up. This coming weekend on the 18th to the 20th, I'm teaching a Polymer Clay 101 class in Williamsburg, Massachusetts. That's going to be fun. In fact, there are 2 spots open. So if you're going to be in the area, feel free to take a look and join us. It'll be a fun time. I'll have links down below to that. It's a cool place. It's called Snow Farm, and it's like art camp for adults. I can't wait to go. And then I'll get home from that, and then I'm going to fly out the next week to go visit my mom for a long weekend. So I won't be uploading any videos to this channel until November 5th. And that is going to be a very special video for a very special someone, so you don't want to miss that. Also be watching for a huge announcement coming on Sunday the 20th. I have that scheduled for you, so that'll be coming up. That's something very exciting coming up on the 20th. And if you're missing my tutorials for the next couple weeks, I'm sorry. I do have about 600 on this channel. There's also another 50, almost 50 in my Etsy shop, videos and PDF tutorials. And just because I'm going to be away, I'll have a special coupon code for you to use until I get back on the 5th. It'll be Creative15, and that'll give you 15% off all of my tutorials in my Etsy shop. I'll put that down below too, along with the link to my Etsy shop. And all right, I'll be off having a good time, working hard and having fun, and I hope you are too. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.